Good morning, family. Today is my birthday. This car park doesn't excite me anymore. You know, old cars all over. I'm going to buy a new Rolls Royce right now. I'm leaving my house now. Watch this space in 2 hours time.